Go ahead and put this outside where it belongs.
So folks, welcome back. Today we're going to take a look here at this Homelabs 25 pint dehumidifier. These things are awesome. I've used Homelab dehumidifiers for years, very successfully. I've done previous videos on them, including how I set them up and all sorts of things. With this is going to be a quick overview video. So I'm just going to give you the highlights of the features and what it can do. And you'll see a demo on how much water it can pull out of the air. And if you want a more comprehensive video, I have a complete walkthrough video that is much longer, that goes over things more in depth. So check that out if you need more info. So folks, with this dehumidifier here, this is awesome for basements, barns, any level in your house where you want to reduce the humidity, take that humidity out of the air. Maybe your air conditioner can't keep up. And this summer it is extremely humid, especially where I live. Very, very hot. And with this right here, it'll pull out about 25 pints. In the worst conditions, 95 degrees, 90% humidity, it'll pull out 64 pints. Of course, you'll have to empty the bucket a couple times in that 24 hours. Or if you have the drain set up at the back, which we'll talk about in a minute. So with this, we already have some water in here because we've been doing a test run. So we've got some water down in there. The bucket just slides out, there's a handle, and then you can just go ahead and dump the water wherever you want, bathtub, sink, outside, whatever works for you. And this is actually only just a couple hours of running too. So we're gonna run it to the max, and you will see here shortly with that. There you can run a drain hose. Now this one here is just for gravity only. There's other models with a pump, where if you need to pump the water, but this unscrews, and then there's a garden hose type attachment, and you can just hook up a hose to it. It also comes with a smaller hose as well that will fit kind of over the inside there. You'll see it when you open it up. So you got a couple different options. Keep in mind though, this particular model, it is gravity. So if you wanted it to drain anywhere above the level of the drain, you would need to raise up the dehumidifier a little bit to be able to do that. Which actually I have set up in my barn like that. It sits on like a little wooden platform, so that way the water has an easy run downwards. So those are the two options for getting rid of the water. And for the most part, to keep it simple, there is an app that you can use, which I'll do a separate video on how to get all that set up. There's Google Home and Amazon Alexa you can also use. Typically what I do is I just turn it on, and then what I'll do is I'll set the humidity. So right now you can see how high the humidity is. It is extremely humid. And it'll probably drop a little bit, but it's very, very humid today. I'd say the humidity level is probably in the 60s or 70s. And then you can use the plus or minus button. Let's say I want 50% humidity. It'll run until it hits 50, or the bucket fills up, whichever is first. So it's kind of up to you. And I typically just set the level I want and just walk away, leave it, let it do its thing. You can also adjust the airflow. So right now we have it on high mode. You can also dial it down if you want it on low, and the fan will gradually step down to low. Okay, all up to you. There's also a timer, and they also have a comfort setting, which all the settings are in the instruction manual. So very, very easy to use. Believe me, once you start using these, you don't really have to think about them much, except for getting rid of the water. They're very kind of trouble-free. There's a filter here on the back, which is very simple. It just pops right off. You just have to clean that every so often whenever it gets dirty. It's very easy. Just run it under water, let it dry, and that's it. We did a test run here with our Homelabs 25 pint dehumidifier, and we have a gallon storage here. The tank full light is on, so let's see what we got. Oh yeah. Look at all that. All that water in there. Imagine all that being in your ear. So folks, in the end, these Homelab dehumidifiers are awesome. They're easy to move around. They have wheels on the bottom there where if you need to roll them around, they have a handle on top to assist as well. If you're like me and you don't like a lot of humidity and you want to moderate those levels of humidity, definitely check these out. Been very happy with these over the years. They have served me well. So anyways, folks, also if you need models with pump on them that'll pump the water somewhere, or if you need a model that's kind of bigger, you can also check those out too. Homelabs also has those as well. Anyways, folks, hopefully that helped you out. Y'all have a good day.